Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In today's short tutorial, I want to share with you what's the fastest way to put your website to under maintenance so that the public visitors won't be able to see your website. So this is very useful if sometimes you want to update your website and it will take about like 5 to 10 minutes or even more, few hours, and you want to put your website to maintenance mode so you don't want your visitors to see what you are or when the website is being edited. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the dashboard and let's go to install a plugin, add new plugin. Once you are on the add new plugin page, you can search for this word called maintenance. So once you have type in maintenance and you will see this plugin called maintenance. Just click install now. And after it has been installed, you can just click on activate. Then it will be activated. So I will show you how it looks like. So once you click on the activate button, you can see on top there's a notice here that says maintenance is on. So if I were to open the incognito window and take a look at my website, I will see that this is the maintenance mode. So it means that the public visitors won't be able to see your website, but if you want to log in, you can just click on this and log in to edit your website. So that is how it works. If you want to customize this screen, what you can do is that you can go to the maintenance area option, click on maintenance, and you can close this window, and this is where you can make changes to the page itself and also the wording. Okay, so I hope that this video is useful. And of course, one last thing is that if you want to off the maintenance, you want to switch off, just click on this button and click Save Changes. And you can see that the message change to maintenance is off. So I hope that you find this video is useful and to help you to put your website in under maintenance mode. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the discussion area below. Thank you.